Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at layer 2s today. So I will be making different videos on different layer 2s throughout the day. So first of all, let's have a look at Arbitrum or the ARB token. If you look here, ARB has been one of the biggest worst performance token in the recent years, as you can see here. Ever since its launch back in March 2023, it is after hitting its all-time high, which was above $2, I believe 2.2, and it has been in the downtrend ever since. It actually tried to go up, as you can see, but it only went as high as 1.16, and after that it went even more down. So what is happening with this coin? I will just give you a simple answer. So if you look at the market cap, this is a max market cap. So when it peaked around 2.2, the market cap basically peaked somewhere around 4.4 billion, and when it went to 1.16, the market cap actually went even higher, around 4.7 billion. So overall, the demand for the token has gone up. So if you look here, the demand has been consistent throughout the time, as you can see here, but if you look at the price is going down. So why is that? I think it has to do with the token supply. So if you look here, this is when the biggest supply actually this is when the biggest supply was actually released, as you can see here, back in March 2024. After this, the team and the investors received their coins. So the investors got around 436 million ARB, and the team got around 672 million ARB tokens. So if we just go here, this is when that happened. So this is, I believe, when investors starts getting their token here, right here. So after that, as you can see here, the coin actually went down and started to go down and down and down, and ever since this time, it has actually struggled to even go higher than 1.12. So I think this biggest decline in the price has been due to the investors and the team getting their token. And again, if you look here, as of now, the investors and team are getting their monthly token, and so by 2027 March, the investors will still receive around 600 million tokens, and that is going to be additional sell pressure, I think. So overall, if we just talk about the token as of now, I think ARB will continue to struggle even if the market cap goes up. But again, in the past, ARB has recovered, as you can see here. So we can just try to analyze the price according to the market cap and where the price actually could go as of now, because as the market is recovering, of course the layer 2s will most likely go up. So let's start from here. But before we come here, let's look at the TVL and what is happening there. So this is the TVL. Again, Arbitrum was overthrown by base, as you can see here. As of now, the base is the biggest layer 2 out there. So but still, the TVL of the ARB has been doing quite well, as you can see here. It actually went down back in April around 2 billion, but it has started to recover. But the base is just too strong, and I don't think that ARB can actually compete with base as of now. And I think that has to do with the base user base. The base has a massive user base, and as you can see here, base is actually trying to break out to 4 billion, which is a new high. But again, Arbitrum is struggling in TVL as well as in price. So let's see what is happening here. So if Arbitrum goes up from here, it just said that market recovers and Arbitrum starts to go up. So where will it peak? So if it wants to go for a new all-time high, let's just say that it will try to go and hit new all-time high. But again, I think if you just look here, this is the biggest resistance that it has to actually break if it wants to go to the all-time high. So I think if the price continues to go up and up and up, and I think this is going to be the biggest sellout point for the token as of now. which is going to be in between 1.27 and 1.18, and I think if even if the price does go here, it will most likely go down from here. But before that, it still needs to actually break these levels. So sorry about that, I had to re-record this one. So again, if we look here, so this is the level that I'm looking at. If it this is the first level that it actually needs to overcome. So the first one is going to be somewhere around here, around 76 to 68 cent. This level also seems to be a pretty strong one, but even if you look here, the price is struggling to break 50 cents. So that is another resistance that it needs to break if it wants to go higher. So if you just look here, this is the first level, which also seems pretty strong, around 50 cent to 43 cent. As you can see, as of now the token price is around 40 cents. So let's just see how it will perform. But I think if the market starts to go up as of now it is doing, the token has a probably good chance to go up from here. But again, these are some very strong resistance. This one doesn't seem that strong, but still it is a resistance that it needs to break, and hopefully if there are any strong buyers or any strong traders that actually want to pump this token, the coin will most likely go down. But again, once it goes in this range, which is going to be around 76 to 68, that is also going to be a pretty strong range that it needs to break. But again, that is going to be the 2x from here. So most likely, if we look at the market cap, it has peaked around 4 billion. So let's just say that market cap goes to 4 billion. So that means the price could be headed to a 77 cent. But if it goes even more than 4 billion, then I think we have a pretty good chance to actually hit 1.27 and 1.18. But the market cap has to go up. So the supply has gone up. As you can see here, the market cap does go up from in each cycle, but I think as of now the market cap, so if we look here, the market cap is not making new lows. So the low it made was back in October, as you can see here, around 1 billion, and that was a pretty strong support here, as you can see here, in April 2025, 1.26 billion. So it is clear that unlike the price, the market cap is following the demand. So there is a pretty good demand. So let's just see how it performs. But I think there is a high possibility that this resistance is going to be a very strong one. If it is able to flip this one, we are most likely going to struggle in this resistance around 80 cent as well. But again, the market cap in the past has performed quite well, so I'm expecting a pretty good increase in a market cap if the market goes up. But again, if the market does go down, we are most likely heading towards a new high, possibly lower than 24 cent. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back more. Thanks for watching.